All of us are interested what people are speaking about us. If they speak good of us, we feel very happy. And if they speak something negative, we feel sad or we get angry with them. In today's gospel reading, you heard Jesus is asking a similar question. What people are talking about me? Who am I according to them? Was Jesus interested in that? No, he wanted to reveal himself, who he is and what is his mission is. So they answered. Some say, you are John the Baptist. Others say, Elijah, and maybe one of the prophets. But then Jesus asked a second pointed question. But who do you say that I am? And only Peter takes the initiative because he had the leadership quality. And he says, you are the Christ. Christ means anointed one. In olden days, priests and the kings were anointed. And then Jesus appreciates what Peter said and tells him, this was not revealed to you by any human source. This my heavenly Father has revealed you. And then he tells Peter, you are rock, and on the rock I build the church.